So in the last video, we discovered that the derivative of our natural function was 1 over x. Always use a chain rule to differentiations. However, the first three log laws can simplify the work. So we're going to use ln instead of log to represent these rules. And so we've got our product rules. So we've got the natural log of x multiplied by y. We can represent as the sum of those. So the natural log of x plus the natural log of y. If we have a quotient, so the natural log of x over y can be the natural log of x minus the natural log of y, so it's a difference. And if we've got a power, so we've got the natural log of x to the power of k, then the k becomes a multiplier to our natural log function of x. So it's k ln x. So we could differentiate y equals the natural log of 3x using our chain rule, but we're going to simplify things using our first log rule. So y equals the natural log of 3x becomes y equals the natural log of 3 plus the natural log of x, because 3x is a product. We're going to differentiate that, so the derivative of y with respect to x is going to be the natural log of 3 differentiated becomes 0 because it's a constant, and the natural log of x becomes 1 over x. And then we're going to simplify it. So the derivative of y with respect to x when y equals the natural log of 3x is just 1 over x. Now we're going to find the derivative of ln x cubed with respect to x. So we're going to write that as y equals ln x cubed. And this is a power, so we're going to make that 3 a multiplier. So y equals 3 multiplied by ln x. The derivative of y with respect to x is going to be 3 multiplied by the derivative of ln x, which is 1 over x. And then we're going to simplify it. So the derivative of y with respect to x equals 3 over x. And then we're going to find the derivative of y with respect to x for y equals ln of x over 5. So this is a quotient. So if we've got y equals ln of x over 5, we can rewrite that as a difference of our two functions. So we've got ln of x take away the natural log of 5. So the derivative of y with respect to x equals 1 over x, take away, and the natural log of 5 is a constant term, so that will differentiate to 0. And so if we simplify that, the derivative of y with respect to x is going to equal 1 over x.